Targets in Focus, we'll be taking a look at Euro dollar, Euro pound and Euro yen. Joining me to discuss these currency pairings is Martin Lykke, FX specialist and director of NPFOREX. Hello Martin. The euro rallied to a one-week high against the dollar on Thursday after the European Central Bank left rates unchanged. Based on this, what are your projections for the euro dollar?
Well, my projections for the euro dollar is that the euro has strengthened too much in the new year, and that we will see a reversal of that strengthening. So we will see a stronger dollar in the coming period. The reason behind that is that Germany, especially Germany, is an export-oriented economy, and too strong euro will simply have too significant impact on the German economy. And on the other hand, it seems to me like that the economy could pick up in the U.S. In this year, especially the housing market seems very strong. My predictions is that the euro will weaken against the dollar in this year.
And sentiment on sterling remains fragile after a recent string of weak data fueling concerns the UK economy slid back into recession in the fourth quarter. With this in mind, what are your short, mid and long-term projections for the euro pound?
I think that UK economy is in a really bad situation. So I see the current sentiments towards a weaker pound continue this year. I foresee a very weak British economy this year, even weaker than the European economy. In my point of view, UK needs a weaker sterling, and market will deliver that to UK. The government is in a situation where it seems like it doesn't really know what to do about the economy, and the Bank of England has printed so much money that the QE will not help that much in this situation. From my point of view, the only thing that can just help the economy a bit will be a weaker sterling, and the market will deliver that.
The yen fell to the weakest since June 2010 against the dollar on bets Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe will select a central bank chief who will expand monetary easing efforts to accelerate the currency's decline. What are your projections for the euro-yen?
Well, I think that the yen will weaken a bit further against the euro, and then it will start to strengthen again. It seems like there's an FX war going on at the moment, and the war will be between Europe and Japan. If especially the German economy is going to strengthen again, and it has weakened significantly over the past quarters, then there's simply room for a further weakening of the yen against the euro. So I think at one time, European leaders and Europe will say, well, enough is enough, Japan, now you can't really weaken the yen further against the euro. And at that point, I think that the yen will be a bit stronger against the euro again. But it will, I think it will hover around 120 in this year.
Thanks for joining me, Martin. That's all for now. Here at Dukascopy TV, we'll be keeping you up to date with the latest financial news. For now though, goodbye.